In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Sora and submit a detailed creative prompt for generation. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the word Sora and press enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Sora website near the top. It should clearly reference the Sora platform and not be a third-party copycat. If you're unsure, check the URL and look for a trustworthy domain before you click. When you find the legitimate result, go ahead and open it. Once the Sora website loads, you should see a clean interface with a prominent text field for your prompt. This is where you'll describe exactly what you want the system to create. Clear, specific language is your best friend here. Think about style, time period, camera feel, motion, and any on-screen details you want to lock in. The more precise you are, the more likely you'll get the result you imagined. Now, let's compose the prompt. Here's the example we're using today. Type or paste this, exactly as written, into the prompt box. A raw 2004 style VHS camcorder scene showing a Pakistani elderly woman bravely confronting a tiger, captured with authentic analog blur, color bleed, jittery handheld movement, and a stable timestamp locked in the bottom right corner. Notice how this prompt calls out the era, the recording medium, the visual artifacts like analog blur and color bleed, the camera behavior with jittery handheld movement, and even a stable timestamp placement. Those details help the system recreate the specific mood and technical look of an early 2000s VHS camcorder recording, rather than a generic modern video. Before submitting, take a second to proofread. Small typos can change meaning, and removing or changing a descriptor may alter the final style. If your goal is the nostalgic texture of home video footage, keeping terms like analog blur, color bleed, and timestamp is essential. Similarly, naming the era, 2004, helps anchor the aesthetic so the output doesn't drift into more contemporary sharpness. When you're happy with the wording, click the Submit button on the page. The platform will process your request, which can take a bit depending on server load and the complexity of your prompt. You may see a progress indicator while it works. That's normal. Just give it a moment. And that's it. You used Google to find the official Sora site, entered a carefully crafted prompt that specifies look, motion, and timestamp, and submitted it for generation. Thanks for watching, and enjoy experimenting with your own precise, descriptive prompts to bring your ideas to life.